especially in classics. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS 25th anniversary coupe. T-top car, as you can see. This car has been in the same family since new. Clean Carfax, confirmed miles. A little over 41,000 on it is all. 305, 5-liter underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's you take a look at the front of this. We do have a little rash down in the chin spoiler. Paint does show its age some. Take a look at the hood. But again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Same owner since new. Want to check out the still pictures? Check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the stock RS Camaro wheels. Gray cloth interior. That 5-liter is paired up with an automatic transmission. And again, I mentioned T-top car. It is with the glass T-tops in it. Original owner's manual will also come with this vehicle. Spent its life in South Dakota, FYI, is where it was titled. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The protective case for holding the T-tops will also come with this and be in the trunk area when the car is shipped to its new owner. And you can see that trunk area, the undersides, in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And again, walking around the car, and you'll see it in the pictures, black paint. Does show its age a little bit. Good candidate if you wanted to make it like new again for a repaint, or just take and drive it the way it is. Alright, take a look at the door panels. Of course, in this one, power windows, power locks. I mentioned AC earlier, cruise control, tilt column, AM/FM cassette with equalizer. And that automatic transmission does have overdrive. And there's your exact miles, a little over 41,000 I said, 41,138. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Now, as far as this dash mat, you'll see in the still pictures, it's not covering up any cracks. The only thing I noticed, which you see on so many of these, is this corner piece right here. But under the mat itself, you'll be able to see in the still pictures, it's no cracks. Looks like it's probably put on there for protection, obviously. As you can hear, the car sounds good. RS and 25th anniversary badging. Gauges appear to be working fine. Tack also. Alright. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. No crazy over the top exhaust, anything like that. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go with the hood open. Hood liner. Stock 305. There's the AC has been converted. Not running the R12 anymore. Nice smooth runner. What you'd expect. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS 25th anniversary coupe. Clean Carfax. Same owner out in South Dakota since new. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.